In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add wiggle effect in Premiere Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a wiggle effect to any text, any image, or anything that you have on your timeline in Premiere Pro. To do this, you have to add the turbulent displace effect to whatever it is that you want the wiggle effect on. So look for turbulent displace and add it to your piece of text, image, and so on. You can see that it already distorted it or wiggled it for a little bit, but if you want to animate this, what you have to do is change the amount and the size. I'm gonna leave these on standard just to really show this effect, but you can change the amount if you want to make the effect stronger or lighter. Now to animate this, go to the start of the timeline here, and on the Effect Control tab, make sure that you click on the stopwatch at the left side of Random Seed. So under Evolution Options, click on the stopwatch, then go to the end of your timeline and then change the amount, for example 25. Once this is set up, it will be animated. So you can clearly see by just moving my frame around, you can notice that it is wiggling. Now of course the effect is very strong here, but if you change this to something like 15 by 15, you can see that it is wiggling very lightly. So this effect allows you to make any sort of text, image, or anything that you have wiggle. And you can make the effect very strong or very light like this. You will be able to control other parameters. They have some different options like bulge instead of turbulent. They have twist, and all of them will achieve different effects. All that you have to do is use the turbulent displace effect and add it to your layer. I hope I was able to help you on how to add wiggle effect in Premiere Pro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.